Pretty warm day across the valley. We did have some record highs that we'll show you coming up next hour. It was hot out there today. Good news is it won't be as hot this weekend. Sunny skies around. Temperatures still, again, mostly in the 90s, especially in the upper parts of the valley over Hidalgo and Starr counties. Staying hot, though. I think in general, no more really cool air coming. We're talking about temperatures still probably around 90 or higher most days. Could get a little hotter as we get toward next week coming up. So humidity's been creeping back in. Look at the dew points there. The dryer is being forced away. There was a weak front that came through and the humidity was dropping some, but now it's starting to move back in. I think overall, though, it may come down a little bit late tonight and for Saturday and Sunday, so it may not be as sticky out there. But when you see these dew points up in the 70s, that's when it starts to feel pretty sticky with the humidity. And the wind's coming lightly from the east and southeast now. Again, this may turn a little bit more east and northeast by late tonight and tomorrow to help temper the humidity a bit, but not too much wind going around this weekend. I think the winds stay fairly light both Saturday and Sunday. Highs tomorrow, though, could be back up in the mid-90s in Starr County, about 96 in Rio Grande City, San Ysidro, and Roma. Mostly in the low to mid-90s across Hidalgo County, about 93 in Edinburg and 92 in Weslaco. 80s and lower 90s in Cameron and Wilsey counties. And sunshine pretty much all day long. You might see a few high clouds roll through. Your day planner for tomorrow, again, starts off mostly in the low 70s in the morning and at sunrise or so, close to 8 a.m. Light winds and some sunshine, and throughout the day the winds stay fairly light, around 10 or 15 miles per hour, and temperatures in the 80s at noon, low to mid 90s by late in the afternoon at 5 p.m. and dry weather. Had a couple of showers and storms today, mainly just in Cameron County as a weak front rolled in, and there's still a couple of thunderstorms and showers to the south as we showed you a little while ago, but all this should gradually fade away to the south, but you may see some lightning flashes in the southern sky not too far away tonight. And Future Track, you still see shows as rain down there at midnight and then kind of withers away later tonight by 3 or 4 in the morning. So we should stay dry with sunshine returning tomorrow. Temperatures again back in the low 90s in many areas for your Saturday afternoon. There's 3 p.m., there's 9 p.m. Maybe some high clouds at times still tomorrow night and Sunday for Mother's Day. Most of the time, though, on Sunday it's going to be sunny again. Pretty warm with temperatures back mostly in the low 90s or so on Sunday afternoon. But the humidity, again, may be kept down a little bit this weekend. So a small break from the excessive humidity, I guess we'll call it, but then the humidity should start to rise by next week as the breezes pick up later Monday from the southeast. So I think next week is looking rather humid again. But for Mother's Day, pretty good looking Mother's Day. Highs near 92 degrees, about a typical Mother's Day around here, near 90 or so with mostly sunny skies. We'll also check on some Mother's Day past coming up next half hour to show you kind of what most Mother's Days turn out to be temperature-wise around here. If you're going to cool off at the coast, temperatures near 80 tomorrow in the morning, kind of low 80s in the afternoon with sunshine, light winds from the east. No advisories in effect, and there you see your tide. So the first 1-5 7-day forecast, a lot of sunshine through the weekend, highs mostly in the low 90s. Lows may dip a little bit with a slight drop in humidity. Monday, the breezes could start to increase later in the day, but probably the breeziest days will be Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday with highs in the 90s, lows in the 70s, kind of a mix of sun and clouds, and you might catch a shower or storm late next week. We'll track that for you coming up again next half hour. But now